Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and the Greys are on strike. There will be no alien lights lit until the guy from Pittsburgh starts getting donations from his subscribers, and the Greys will tell you what happens to someone who doesn't donate. More on that next month on the Guy from Pittsburgh channel. So, this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. I'm going to be doing all these videos and not post them to YouTube. They're going to sit in my iPad and they're just going to wait. Like fine wine, they're going to age until I see if I get donations or not. And then they probably will go private if I don't get donations. Or be posted to another site and you have to pay to watch them. Alright, I've already opened this because I want to look at it. This is from Houston, Texas. And this is another edition of my Paranormal book collection. And this is MJ12 and the Riddle of Hangar 18, Timothy Green Beckley. This talks about a possible UFO crash in Central Park, Frank Scully and the crash at Corona, and other UFO evidence, and found MJ12 documents. So this is a very interesting but also very weird book. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night and stay safe out there as the Greys stay dark. This is Burgh Unboxing. Bye-bye for now.